For 2020, the Mazda 3 sedan is an elegant front-wheel drive compact car that features driver attention alert that displays an alert and sound when it detects driver fatigue or decreased attentiveness, Mazda radar cruise control with stop-and-go function, smart brake support, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, and high beam control as standard features. Automatic on-off headlights and rain-sensing windshield wipers joined previously standard features such as a matte-finished front grille, 16-inch alloy wheels, cloth seating surfaces and door trims, power folding door mirrors and power windows with one touch-down up feature. Continuing the tradition of launching the latest technology on Mazda's all-time bestseller, the all-new Mazda 3 is the first model available with the Skyactiv-X engine, offered alongside the latest Skyactiv-G and Skyactiv-D power plants. The Skyactiv-X features spark-plug-controlled compression ignition, a world-unique system combining the performance and efficiency advantages of petrol and diesel power for a satisfyingly free-revving linear response and superior real-world fuel economy. The all-new Mazda 3 Skyactiv-X delivers 180 horsepower and maximum torque of 224 Nm. The all-new Mazda 3's interior likewise incorporates the minimalist less is more ideal of the evolved Kodo design. All elements other than the cockpit are kept as simple as possible to give the cockpit zone added presence. To amplify the connection between car and driver, every aspect of the cockpit is laid out in perfect horizontal symmetry centered on the driver. The human-centric philosophy at the heart of every Mazda design ensures that every element of a Mazda car is conducive to the comfort and ease of the driver.